So, you know, as with wood, how close you came
Oh my god.
to that igniting. It probably did at a point, judging by the amount of coal. So
because these
basically
get hot.
the flame shoots through these.
Yeah.
The fan blows over there in the corner through the hole, and it brings this down. So
So it's shooting it down like that.
yeah, it goes down there. So it's super heating it right there.
Is that the heat exchange right
This is the heat exchanger. I don't know where the crack is, but if he wants to show me when he gets here, you can look through the entire thing. There's not a single crack. This is solid as a rock.
So why would he even think it's the heat exchange?
Because he wants to make $2,200.
Yeah.
It's a scam job.
That's all it is. Yeah, clearly. So I can cut lengths of sheet metal. I'm pretty small. I can climb in there and I'll probably pull this out.
Climb in there?
Yeah, well, I'm gonna remove this, wedge myself in there. My brother's pretty small too, and we'll cut lengths of sheet metal and get a fire barrier they use for boilers. We'll put that down, the fire retardant insulation. We'll put the sheet metal, screw it down with washers, and then we'll seal the whole thing with Duct Seal 321, which is rated for the high temp, and then we won't have to worry about that.
Oh my god, that is...
Can you show me the filter too?
That is bad. That is bad.
I got this one right here. That's your economizer. That's completely gone. That needs to be replaced. This is...
What are you doing?
I'm afraid of heights.
Nowhere near the edge.
I am.
And we're not very high.
So, got 2 inches available. Slide this out. You got a tab right here.
Yeah.
That pushes down, and just put a 2 inch. All rooftops.
And then we get rid of the one down there.
Yeah.
Oh, so he pushed this tab up?
Or whoever did, someone did at some point. But if you just push them down, you can throw a 2 inch in there. It cleans the air better, protects the unit better.
Is that
comes
tab there so you can put a 1 inch in?
If you want to, yeah. But why would you ever do that? It comes with the 2 inch. It lasts longer. It cleans the system better. It doesn't make much. That's only like $3 more.
Yeah.
It's silly not to.
Oh my god.
So your blower motor is right here. It has adjustable speeds, so you have black for high speed, medium for low. So all you do is just, medium's always for your heating circuit, high's for your cooling. So we just jump out the high and it'll bump up a little more CFM and it'll help move the air through the system. I haven't turned it on yet, but we'll see what else is going on with it. But combination of the filters is what would cause that, and low fan speed and undersized ductwork.
So the ductwork is undersized too?
It's pretty difficult to know how, because we would have to get a crane, lift this thing up, and do the investigation. It's going to be crazy money to do that.
Right. But if we fix everything else,
yeah, it should help a lot.
Should help a lot. And since the exchange is not burned out, and therefore we can assume that maybe the ductwork isn't too small because it isn't burned out yet.
Exactly. Now this is what keeps resetting itself. Cheap little $10 part. Sometimes they just keep popping. They're really temperamental. So we'll just get you a new. We'll get you two new ones. And pop them in. And
can you see the ductwork? Because this is probably a stupid question, but when you can't see it from the other side.
You probably see some of it, yeah, but it's in this cabinet here. Usually it changes direction and stuff. It's hard to see.
Our maintenance guy got pissed because the guy says, "Hey, all you do is press a button and it resets."
Yeah, right here. This button.
And he goes, "Well, just show me the button to reset, so if these girls need heat, I can do it." No, he didn't say anything like that you get carbon monoxide. At least.
Yeah, well, if it was split, you could get carbon monoxide. It's not split, so you're not getting any carbon monoxide. This is a high temperature safety device for this section right here. If these flames aren't getting pulled through those tubes, it will overheat this top panel and it pops this right? So the only other thing that could cause that would be this. On the back of the impeller, it has a wheel, a squirrel cage. I pulled this whole motor off to check it and it's fine. Sometimes the blades will fall off, the blades are fine. So the only thing I had to do is, I forgot to do the thermostat. I'm gonna turn on and check the amperage on the motor, just make sure it's running the right speed. And then if that's the case, we'll test it and see. And then it's probably just a defective little switch here, cheap little switch. So, save you some money.